Hello and welcome to Texas Home Classics. My name is Brandon and I'm the upholsterer here. In the last video we spoke about what it took to get the frame ready to apply the foam to it. So today we're going to talk about what it takes to get the foam ready to put the covers on. Usually when we get these seats in, they're in bad shape. As you can see, the foam deteriorates and there's no way that we could put new seat covers on deteriorating foam. So what we like to do is we have to replace the foam. Usually we can order it either aftermarket or we have to make it ourselves. What I've done here is I've had to actually recreate this foam padding on this seat. Also, we had to recreate the foam padding that goes around this fold-out armrest. Everything is cut to fit, so that way you don't have a lot of foam protruding out the sides. So when it's sucked down, it's nice and tight. Now, in the next video, we'll talk about the patterning process and what it takes to cover these seats. Y'all have a great day. See you next time.